Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the text color in the Google Docs app. But for that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my cool YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to go into a document that we want to edit. And then tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. And here in the top row we find an A and some lines next to it. We tap on this, and then here in the text part we can set the text color to one of these grays, or similarly tones of red, orange, yellow, blue, and yeah, you can just select from these colors. And then when we write something, it's going to appear in that way, as you can see here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one.